In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a Lovable.dev project to GitHub and view your new repository. We'll keep this simple and clear, and by the end, you'll have a GitHub repository automatically created and linked to your project. Let's get started on your computer by opening Lovable.dev and logging in. Use a modern browser and make sure you're signed into the correct account for the project you want to connect. Once you're in, you'll land on the main dashboard. Next, click into the project or app you want to connect. This takes you to that project's workspace, where all the integration options and settings live. If you manage multiple projects, double check you're opening the one you actually want to pair with GitHub, since the connection will create a repository specifically for that project. Inside the project, look for the GitHub option. Depending on your layout, you'll find it either in the top right area or in the side panel. Click GitHub to open the integration view. This is where Lovable.dev handles the link between your project and a GitHub repository, making it easy to keep your code and changes in sync with version control. Now click Connect Project. You'll be asked to select your GitHub organization. Choose the organization where you want the repository to live. If you belong to more than one, pick the one that owns the code or the team that will maintain it. If you don't see the organization you expect, it may be a permissions issue, so ensure your GitHub account has access to create repositories in that organization. The platform may also guide you through any required approvals. Simply follow the on-screen prompts. Once the connection is established, click View on GitHub. This opens the newly created repository in GitHub. You should see the repo name aligned with your project and an initial set of files or a seed commit created by Lovable.dev. Take a moment to confirm the default branch, review the initial commit message, and familiarize yourself with the structure that's been set up for you. That's it. Your repository has now been connected and created. From here, you can collaborate with your team, track changes, and enforce code review using GitHub's standard workflows. If you ever need to verify the link from Lovable.dev, return to your project's GitHub section and you'll see the connection reflected there. With this setup in place, your development process stays organized, traceable, and ready for continuous improvement. Thanks for watching, and enjoy building with your newly connected Lovable.dev and GitHub workflow.